Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set custom alarm sound on Android or iPhone. So it works for both of them, both of the operating systems. So just follow the tutorial. Head over to your alarm or your clock. Then make sure you are on the alarm option. Then head over to the three dot icon. Go to settings. And then go to the sound of your alarm, and here in my one there is chime time currently set. Here on my one it is chime time currently set, and I want to set a custom alarm sound. So what I will do is click on the plus icon on the upper right corner, and there I will set a song that I'm going to select. And yeah, click on done, and once you click on done, it is selected. Now your alarm sound is currently set to a song or a custom alarm sound on your Android phone, and it works for both Android and iPhone. Hope this video will help you out, and consider giving it a like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.